Now that you've got into the world of NFTs, you may want to know how you can actually get some Ether inside your MetaMask. This is a very popular question that I get asked. And specifically, how do you actually get Ether inside your MetaMask so that you can actually create all these NFTs, or whether you want to buy an NFT? Well, you need to have Ether inside your MetaMask, and I'm going to show you exactly how you do that. If you'll notice right now, I've actually logged into my MetaMask wallet, and I do have some Ether inside, 0.0551 Ether as of this moment. And how did I get that in there? It's actually quite simple. You have the option here to buy. Now, mind you, if you already have some Ether, say you have it from Coinbase or you have it from Binance or any other cryptocurrency exchange, that's a great way that you can actually deposit Ether into your MetaMask. And you use the same button. If you click on buy, you're given the option to, you see, deposit Ether. It's not just buy Ether, you can deposit Ether as well. Now, MetaMask gives you the option to buy Ether if you want with Wire. You also have the option to buy Ether with Transact, but notice there's an option at the bottom that says directly deposit Ether. And this is exactly what I do. I typically buy my Ether elsewhere and I just deposit it inside my MetaMask. And the way I do that is I go to this option here, view account, and I'm given a QR code with my address for my MetaMask wallet. This corresponds to my MetaMask wallet, and it's exactly how I got these Ether that I showed you inside this MetaMask. All you do in your case is you take the same address, whether you copy here the code that's presented here, or you can actually use your specific QR code and you just send Ether to that address. And that address corresponds to your wallet inside your MetaMask. That's how I actually got these 0.0551 Ether inside this wallet. And it's the same Ether that I will use whether I actually want to buy in some sort of NFT or I want to create something else. I would specifically use that Ether by depositing it inside my MetaMask using the process I just showed you.